This is for those that say that Adobe does not listen to their customers. So here's me several months ago saying, hey, it'd be really nice if button blocks in the all-new Adobe Captivate had more than 3 buttons. And of course, this is the reality that I'm talking about here. If I add a button block in Adobe Captivate 12.3, you can see the most I can do are 3 buttons. Now here we are in Adobe Captivate 12.4, just newly released, and let's take a look at the Add Interactive Components, add a button block, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks, Adobe, for listening to my request.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.